myself Dr. Vishwaja Naik. I am a specialist dermatologist at Vadrasama Barika branch. Today I will be talking about the retinoids and how to apply the retinoids in a correct way. Retinoids are the vitamin A derivatives. It is available in oral and topical formulations. There are a variety of retinoids available in the market and few are prescribed only by the dermatologist. Retinoids, retinoic acid, retinaldehyde, retinoic acid and tretinoin, adapalene are the various types of retinoids. Why is it important to talk about the retinoids and its correct usage? Because in majority of the people, the reason behind the discontinuation of retinoids is the development of retinoid dermatitis, which is characterized by the burning, flaking, irritation of the skin once they start using the retinoids. So today I will be talking about the correct use of retinoids. Tip number 1. Choose the right retinoids. As earlier I said, there are a variety of retinoids which are available in the low concentration also and high concentration also. The retinoids such as adapalene has less irritant potential, but it is less has less efficacy. And retinoids such as retinoic acid, it is most efficacious but has most irritant potential. Tip number 2. The right amount of retinoid. That is, the P size is sufficient for the full face. Tip number 3. The right way of application of retinoids. So before starting applying the retinoids, you should wash your face with the gentle cleanser or the face wash which is suitable according to your skin type. After washing your face, dry it completely. Take a pea-sized amount of retinoid on your fingertips and dab it on your entire face. Make sure you don't apply your retinoid around the eyes, nose and around the lips, as these are the very sensitive areas of the skin and prone to develop the retinal dermatitis. In the patient who have sensitive skin, they can cover the eyes, nose and around the lips area with a Vaseline petroleum jelly. Those patients who have developed extreme dryness with the retinoids can apply the moisturizer prior to the application of retinoids. Tip number 4. It is the right time of application of retinoids. All retinoids except adapalene are photosensitive, that is, they are sensitive to light and they will be degraded by the sunlight. So it is advisable to use the retinoids in the night time. Also, start the retinoid application every third night in the first month. From second month, start every second night, and from the third month, start every single night, depending upon the skin tolerance. Also, never fail to apply the sunscreen because the retinoids make the skin sensitive to sunlight. So it is mandatory to use the sunscreen during retinoids usage. It is advisable to stop the retinoids 3 days before and 3 days after the facial procedures such as waxing, threading, derma roller, chemical peeling, because it makes the skin sensitive, and if you do the procedures while on the retinoids, it will give the pigmentation. Pregnancy and lactation are the absolute contraindication of retinoids, and rosacea, sensitive skin are the relative contraindications for the retinoid use. So I hope from these tips are useful for you, and from today onwards you can use the retinoids in a correct way without developing its side effects, and will get the benefits of retinoids usage. Thank you for kind listening. Stay home, stay safe.